In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your payment method on Acuity Scheduling. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and navigate to acuityscheduling.com. If you're not familiar with Acuity Scheduling, it's an online appointment scheduling tool that offers features like appointment management and payment processing. Once you're on the website, move your cursor to the top right corner of the page where you'll see the login button. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll be prompted to enter your login credentials. This is where you'll type in your email and password associated with your Acuity Scheduling account. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry. There's usually an option right on the login page to help you reset it. Once you're logged in successfully, the next step is to locate the payment settings section on your dashboard. Look for a navigation menu, typically on the side or across the top of the interface. Select payment settings from there. This is where you can manage your financial transactions, so it's a crucial part of your account setup. Once you're in the payment settings, you'll need to choose which provider you want to manage transactions with. Acuity Scheduling supports a variety of payment processors, including Stripe, PayPal, and Square. Consider which service will best fit your business needs. Each one has its own benefits and fees. Once you've decided on your preferred payment provider, either disconnect the current provider if you're changing it, or go ahead and click Connect to set up a new one. This section is vital because it ensures that your financial transactions are processed smoothly and securely. You will now follow the on-screen prompts to link your account. This generally involves logging into your payment provider to confirm that Acuity Scheduling can access your payment credentials. Do take your time with this step as it ensures your account links correctly without any hiccups. After successfully linking your account, don't forget to click on Save Settings. This is an important step to ensure all the changes you've made are applied and saved properly. If you skip this step, you might have to redo the process, which can be frustrating. And there you have it. You've now successfully changed your payment method on Acuity Scheduling. Remember, keeping your payment settings updated is crucial for maintaining seamless operations in your business transactions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to the platform support channel.